If you're searching for a reliable blender that combines power, style, and modern technology, this Oster Touchscreen Blender might just be the perfect choice for you. With its 800-watt motor, intuitive touchscreen controls, and multifunction capabilities, this blender is designed to handle a wide range of blending tasks, from smoothies to salsas. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at the features, performance, and overall user experience of the Oster Touchscreen Blender. One of the first things you'll notice about the Oster Touchscreen Blender is its sleek and modern design. The touchscreen control panel gives the blender a contemporary look, while the 6-cup Boroclass glass jar adds a touch of durability and sophistication. The glass jar is not only sturdy, but also thermal shock resistant, meaning it can handle both hot and cold ingredients without cracking or breaking. The blender's stainless steel components are built to last, and the all-metal drive system ensures that this appliance can handle up to 10,000 blends. The overall build quality is impressive, with a solid and robust feel that gives you confidence in its durability. Oster has included a limited 10-year warranty, which speaks to the brand's commitment to quality and longevity. One of the standout features of this blender is its touchscreen interface. The Easy Touch technology makes it incredibly simple to operate. The sleek touchscreen panel is intuitive and easy to navigate, even for those who might not be tech-savvy. The panel features 2 auto-program buttons, one for smoothies and one for salsa. With just a single touch, you can start blending, and the blender will automatically adjust the speed and blending time for optimal results. The touchscreen control panel is also easy to clean. Since there are no physical buttons, you can simply wipe down the surface after use, keeping the blender looking clean and sleek. This design not only enhances the blender's aesthetics but also reduces the likelihood of food particles getting stuck in buttons or crevices. When it comes to performance, the Oster Touchscreen Blender doesn't disappoint. The 800-watt motor is powerful enough to tackle even the toughest ingredients, from frozen fruits to ice cubes. Whether you're making a morning smoothie, batch of salsa, or a frozen margarita, this blender can handle it all with ease. One of the key features that sets this blender apart is its extra-large, 6-point stainless steel blade. This blade design ensures that all ingredients are evenly blended. Whether you're working with soft fruits or tough fibrous vegetables, the blade can chop, slice, crush, and grind, making this blender incredibly versatile. The 6-speed settings and pulse functionality give you complete control over your blending task. Whether you want to blend ingredients quickly or prefer a more gradual process, this blender allows you to customize your blending experience to suit your needs. The pulse function is particularly useful for tasks that require short bursts of power, such as chopping vegetables or grinding nuts. The 6-cup Boroclass glass jar offers plenty of space for large batches, making this blender ideal for families or those who like to entertain. Whether you're making a big batch of smoothies for the whole family or preparing salsa for a party, the large capacity ensures you can blend more in one go, saving you time and effort. This blender's versatility is another strong selling point. In addition to smoothies and salsa, it can be used to make a wide variety of dishes, including soups, sauces, dips, frozen drinks, and even nut butters. The multifunction capabilities mean that you can replace several kitchen appliances with just one, simplifying your cooking and food preparation process. Cleaning up after blending is often a hassle, but the Oster Touchscreen Blender makes it easy. The Boroclass glass jar is dishwasher-safe, so you can simply place it in the dishwasher after use. The jar is also resistant to thermal shock. You don't have to worry about it breaking if you switch between hot and cold ingredients. Oster has a strong reputation for producing long-lasting kitchen appliances, and the Oster Touchscreen Blender is no exception. The all-metal drive system is designed to withstand heavy use, and Oster claims that the blender can handle up to 10,000 blends. This level of durability is reassuring, especially for those who plan to use their blender regularly. The blender also comes with a limited 10-year warranty, which covers any potential defects in materials or workmanship. This warranty gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. Final thoughts. The Oster Touchscreen Blender is a powerful, versatile, and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its 800-watt motor, 6-point stainless steel blade, and touchscreen controls make it a pleasure to use, while the 6-cup Boroclass glass jar ensures durability and ample blending capacity. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a salsa lover, or someone who enjoys experimenting with new recipes, this blender can handle it all. The intuitive touchscreen controls make it easy to operate, and the auto programs for smoothies and salsa are perfect for quick and hassle-free blending. With 6-speed settings and pulse functionality, you have complete control over your blending task, allowing you to achieve the perfect consistency every time. In addition to its impressive performance, the Oster Touchscreen Blender is easy to clean and maintain, thanks to its dishwasher-safe jar and wipeable touchscreen panel. The all-metal drive system ensures long-lasting performance, and the 10-year warranty offers additional peace of mind. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.